morning. How are you feeling today? It's a weekend. I hope all of you are feeling nice and excited and energized. All right. So welcome to Unacademy, India's largest online learning platform that provides to you a world of courses, resources, content, live and recorded sessions to help you in your preparation for the CA Foundation and Intermediate examinations. Also, I would like to welcome you to crack CA exams with us, which is a vertical and channel of Unacademy that caters to the students of CA Foundation and Intermediate in their journey and pursuit of preparation for the CA Foundation and Intermediate examinations by providing top educators, quality content, and overall a great learning experience. So come, let's crack CA exams with Unacademy, India's largest online learning platform. Welcome to the session. Before we proceed, a brief introduction about the Educator today. Hello, I'm Prathik Gupta. I'm a Bachelor of Commerce from Christ College, Bangalore University. I am an associate member of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, an associate member of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, an associate member of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, and also a law graduate from Karnataka State Law University. I'm currently a visiting faculty for CA subjects and an educator for CA students both offline and online. Prior to starting on my own, I worked with SR Bartley Boy and Associates, that is the Indian member firm of Ernst & Young Global in the Audit and Assurance Department. Then I went on to work with Ernst & Young India, EY India in the Mergers and Acquisitions Department. And then finally I went on to work with the Manipal Group in Bangalore as the corporate controller of the Indian entity as well as the German subsidiary located in Frankfurt, Germany. And it was only after I got back from Frankfurt, Germany that I decided to start something on my own. And that also gave me an opportunity to become an educator, which in turn has given me this opportunity today to be able to take this session for you young, bright and enthusiastic CA aspirants. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, and I hope you find my session useful. Anytime during the session, in case you have any questions, queries, observations or discussions to be made, please feel free to drop in a line and I will be happy to take up the matter for problem solving or for discussion purposes as the case may be. I would also like to draw your attention to my name and the spelling of my name. My name is Prathik Gupta and it is spelled as Prathik, so it's Prathik with an H. Now why I am stressing on the spelling of my name is because a lot of people miss the H in my name, because of which they are unable to find my sessions on the YouTube channel of Unacademy as well as my special classes on the Unacademy Learning app. So you look me up with my name, that is Prathik Gupta, Prathik, and you'll find the hundreds of hours of sessions of mine on the YouTube channel of Unacademy, as well as the hundreds of hours of special classes on the Unacademy Learning app. Let's move on. Now, like I told you, Unacademy caters to you in your preparation for the CA Foundation and Intermediate examination. It does so through three platforms, that is YouTube, Special and Plus. Now, YouTube and special classes are absolutely free of cost, but they provide a tremendous amount of value and resources to help you in your preparation for the CA Foundation and Intermediate examinations. YouTube is what you're watching right now, where you just need to go to the YouTube channel titled Prathik Gupta and you can see my hundreds of hours of classes on the YouTube channel of Unacademy. Similarly, special classes are also absolutely free of cost and they're available on an app known as the Unacademy Learning app. More about which I will tell you in the following slides. Now, coming to the Plus platform of Unacademy, the Plus platform of Unacademy is the premium platform of Unacademy that is a payment-based subscription model and which provides various subscription packages for the various examinations. More about the packages in the following slide, but in this slide I will quickly tell you as to why I recommend and encourage you to become part of the Plus platform of Unacademy as soon as possible. The first reason why I recommend and encourage you to become part of the Plus platform of Unacademy is because of the daily live classes it provides, where you get to chat with your educator, engage in discussions, ask your doubts and answer polls, all this while the class is going on. The second reason why I recommend and encourage you to become part of the Plus platform of Unacademy is because of the live tests and quizzes it conducts on a regular and periodic basis, which help to evaluate your preparation and also get a detailed analysis of your performance. The third reason why I recommend and encourage you to become a part of the Plus platform of Unacademy is because of the structured courses it provides, where all our courses are structured in line with your exam syllabus to help you best prepare for it. And lastly and most importantly, the reason why I recommend and encourage you to become part of the Plus platform of Unacademy is because of the unlimited access it provides, where in the one subscription to the Plus platform of Unacademy gets you access to all the live and recorded courses to watch from the comfort of any of your devices. So keeping all these advantages in mind among many others, I strongly recommend and encourage you to become part of the Plus platform of Unacademy as soon as possible in order to accelerate and enhance your preparation for the CA Foundation and Intermediate examinations. Moving on. Now, in the previous slide, you heard me say live and recorded sessions. So those live and recorded sessions are live and recorded plus courses, live and recorded special classes, and they are available on an app known as the Unacademy Learning app. So for those of you who have downloaded the Unacademy Learning app and are using it, I thank you very much, and I request your support in the future as well. For those of you who have not yet downloaded the Unacademy Learning app, I request you to go to the Play Store on your mobile phones, download the Unacademy Learning app, install the Unacademy Learning app on your phones, put in your mobile number where you will get an OTP, and using that OTP you can register on the Unacademy Learning app. It is as simple as that, with no lengthy or complicated procedures. So the next question you might ask me is, okay, you have downloaded, installed and registered on the Unacademy Learning app, so what's next? So let me tell you that the Unacademy Learning app gives you access to all the live and recorded special classes that Unacademy has to offer to you to help you in your preparation for the CA Foundation and Intermediate examinations. And it gives you access to all the live and recorded plus courses that Unacademy has to offer to you in order to accelerate and enhance your preparation for the CA Foundation and Intermediate examinations. So keeping these points in mind, I request you to download, install and register on the Unacademy Learning app as soon as possible so that you can make use of the world of resources that Unacademy has to offer to you to help you in your preparation for the CA Foundation and Intermediate examinations. Alright, moving on. Now, coming to the important slide of Unacademy. Like I told you, the Plus platform of Unacademy is a premium platform of Unacademy and is a payment-based subscription model which provides various subscription packages for the various examinations. So accordingly, the CA Foundation and the Intermediate subscription packages provided by the Plus platform of Unacademy are as follows. The packages provided are 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months. The 1 month package will cost you rupees 3,500. The 3 months package will cost you rupees 8,750. The 6 months package will cost you rupees 14,000. The 12 months package will cost you rupees 17,500, and the 24 months package will cost you rupees 21,000. Now please remember, all these are the listed price of the packages. So before you make the payment for the package of your choice, please do not forget to use the code Prathik to get an instant discount of 10% on the above listed price. I repeat, please do not forget to use the code Prathik to get an instant discount on the above listed prices. So the after discount price of the various packages are as follows. The 1 month package will cost you rupees 3,150. The 3 month package will cost you rupees 7,875. The 6 months package will cost you rupees 12,600. The 12 months package will cost you rupees 15,750, and the 24 months package will cost you rupees 18,900. So you see, immediately you get a discount of 10% when you use my code. Now, an important announcement: this discount of 10% is being reduced to 5% from 1st March 2021. So this discount of 10% will remain only till February 28, 2021, and post that it will be reduced to 5%. So if any of you are thinking of becoming a part of the Plus platform, this is the time for you to opt for the Plus platform and enjoy the benefit of the 10% discount. But before you do that, please do not forget to use the code Prathik to get an instant discount of 10%. Now, I would personally recommend you to start off with the 12 months or 24 months packages for 2 reasons. Firstly, it is cost effective. If you compare the 1 month package cost with the per month cost of the 12 months and the 24 months package, you will see that you're getting great cost savings almost immediately. And secondly, and most importantly, since the CA Foundation and Intermediate course is provided to you in one package, that is 12 months or 24 months, a 12 months or 24 months package will be highly beneficial to you because it covers the entire duration of both your courses, that is the CA Foundation and the Intermediate, which normally take a minimum of about 12 months for you to prepare and clear. So if you're getting a package that is 12 months or 24 months that covers the duration of both your CA Foundation as well as your CA Intermediate at a very cost-effective price, I think that is a very good deal. But having said this, you're free to choose the package of your choice. But before you make the payment, please do not forget to use the code Prathik to get an instant discount of 10% on the above listed price. You can also make use of the no-cost EMI option available for 6 months, 12 months and 24 months packages, just in case you do not wish to make the entire payment at one shot. The payment options available to you are internet banking, debit card and credit card, and also all the coins that you've accumulated by watching the special classes can be redeemed while making the payment for the Plus course. So keeping these packages in mind, these incentives in mind, and also the discount offers in mind, I strongly recommend and encourage you to become part of the Plus platform of Unacademy as soon as possible in order to accelerate and enhance your preparation for the CA Foundation and Intermediate examinations. Alright, please take about 30 seconds, go through this, and then we proceed. Any questions, please ask me. Alright, please take about 10 more seconds. Alright, now, like I told you, the Unacademy Learning app gives you access to all the live and recorded special classes. Here are the snapshots of few of the many special classes that I have conducted on the Unacademy Learning app, which you will find useful in your preparation for the CA Foundation and Intermediate examination. There are special classes on RTPs, revision on sale of goods on approval or return basis, Indian Contracts Act, the Companies Act, fundamentals of accounting, revision of partnership accounts, revision of partnership accounts, retirement, debt and admission, valuation of inventories, revision on final accounts for non-manufacturing entities, and many more. So all you need to do is log into the Unacademy Learning app, go to my profile Prathik Gupta, and you can see the hundreds of hours of special classes there, which you can make use of in your preparation for the CA Foundation and Intermediate examinations. Moving on, here are the lists of links to few of the many special classes I have conducted on the Unacademy Learning app, which you will find useful in your preparation for the CA Foundation and Intermediate examinations. You can either click on these links or copy and paste these links on your browser to take you directly to the special class on the Unacademy Learning app. The special classes are on the Indian Contracts Act, the Indian Partnership Act, the Limited Liability Partnership Act, the Companies Act, Basics of Communication, Accounting Concepts, Revision Test Papers, and many more. So like I told you earlier, please log into the Unacademy Learning app, go to my profile, Prathik Gupta, and you will see all the hundreds of hours of special classes that have been taken exclusively for your benefit, which you can make use of in your preparation for the CA Foundation and Intermediate examinations. Alright? Okay, let's move on. Today we are going to do the Indian Contracts Act, Bailment and Pledge Part 2. Part 1 was done yesterday. So we will continue from where we stopped yesterday, but before that we will just have a quick recap of what we have done yesterday. Alright? So Indian Contracts Act, Bailment and Pledge. So we started off with an introduction as to what is bailment. Bailment is simply a transfer of possession or delivery of goods from a bailer to the bailee for some time period or for some purpose, after which the bailee is supposed to return the goods to the bailer in return for some consideration. So it could be a free transaction or it could be a paid transaction. If it's a free transaction, it is known as a gratuitous bailment. If it's not a free transaction, then it is known as a non-gratuitous bailment. Okay? Please quickly take about 10 seconds, go through this. Any questions you may have, please ask me. Please take 10 seconds, go through this. This is a recap of what we did yesterday. Okay, I will continue from where we stopped yesterday. Come on. Please take about 10 more seconds, go through this, because if you do not go through this, then today's session may not be useful. So, it's a quick recap. Come on. Okay, then the essential elements of a contract of bailment is there is a contract. There should be a delivery of goods from the bailer to the bailee. And the delivery can be actual delivery, it can be a constructive delivery. Okay, please take a minute, go through this, and then we proceed. Any questions, please ask. We have done this yesterday, so I'm not explaining it again, but I'm just giving you time to read it so that you can recap what this is, and then we will continue. Alright, then there should be a purpose. The purpose can be expressed or implied, and then there should be a transfer of possession. The possession of the goods should actually shift from the bailer to the bailee. Okay, only then a bailment is said to have been done. Come on. Come on, take about 30 seconds, go through this quickly, and then we'll continue. All this has been discussed yesterday in part 1. Okay, then there should be return of goods. So after the bailee has performed his duty or the time has been elapsed for which the bailment was done, it is the duty of the bailee to return goods, and it becomes the duty of the bailer to accept the goods. Okay, so that makes it the essentials of a bailment contract. There should be a contract, there should be delivery of goods from the bailer to the bailee. There should be a purpose for which the bailment is done. Then there should be also a transfer of possession from the bailer to the bailee, and once the bailee has done the work or the time has lapsed, there should be a return of goods from the bailee to the bailer. Alright? Yeah. Please take a minute, go through this. Come on, take about 30 seconds more. Quickly go through this and then we proceed. We have discussed this yesterday. Okay, different forms of bailment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then on the basis of reward, bailment can be classified into gratuitous bailment, which is a free bailment, and non-gratuitous bailment, where there is some benefit or some fees involved with it. Okay, please take a minute, go through this. I'm just recapping what we did yesterday. Come on. Okay, then we look at the duties of bailer. We discussed them in detail yesterday. The duty of the bailer is to disclose the known facts to the bailee, bear the necessary expenses for sending the goods on bailment, indemnify bailee in case the bailee incurs any expenses on the goods bailed, bound to accept the goods when the bailee returns the goods. Okay, so these are enumerated as under. These are given in detail. Come on, quickly go through this. Come on. Okay, then these are some examples of the first one. If goods are bailed for hire, example 1, example 2, the condition for liability of the bailer are. Okay, this is continuation of the first point itself. Please take a minute, go through this. Come on, take about 10 more seconds. Okay, then the second one, duty to pay necessary expenses, and the third one, duty to indemnify the bailee for premature termination. We have discussed it yesterday. Quickly take about 10-15 seconds. Go through this, and then we proceed. Come on. Okay, the fourth point, the bailer's responsibility to the bailee, that is to indemnify. Okay, please take a minute, go through this. We are looking at the bailer's responsibilities, which we have done yesterday, the duties of the bailer. So I'm just recapping it. Come on. Okay, then we look at the duties of the bailee. So what are the duties of the bailee? To take care of the goods bailed as they are his own goods. He should not be using them. There should be no unauthorized use of the goods. No mixing of bailer's goods with his own goods. The return of goods after the work is done or time has lapsed, and to return any extra profit accruing on the goods bailed. So these are the duties of the bailee. Please take 30 seconds, go through this. We have discussed this in detail yesterday. That's the reason I'm not doing it again, but I'm allowing you some time to recap. Okay, then look at the examples, example 1, example 2, and section 153. Come on. Okay, then second one, duty not to mix the goods, along with an example. Quickly go through this, take about 10 seconds. These are the duties of a bailee. Again, we have discussed this also yesterday. Okay, then the return of goods. It is the duty of the bailee to return the goods after the time lapses for the purpose for which the goods were bailed to him. Return of accretion of the goods. So if the goods, while they are being bailed, they are bailed with the bailee. If there is any profit that accrues on those goods, the bailee is supposed to return that extra profit also to the bailer. Alright, please take about 10 seconds, go through this, and then we proceed. All this was done yesterday in detail, we're just having a quick recap. Okay, and then the last one, need to set up adverse title. The bailee cannot pass on a title to someone else. Okay, that will be passing on an adverse title to someone else. Okay, please take about 10 seconds, go through this. Okay, so we'll start off with rights of a bailer, okay? So the rights of a bailer, broadly the rights of a bailer are also the duty of the bailee and can be categorized as under. So now so far we discussed what are the duties of a bailer and duties of a bailee. Now we'll talk about the rights of a bailer. Firstly, the bailer has the right to terminate the bailment in case he sees that the bailee is doing anything unauthorized on the goods. The bailer has the right to demand back the goods at any time. Even before the time lapse, the bailer can demand the goods back from the bailee. And because of which, if there is any expenses the bailee incurs, then he has to reimburse the bailee for those expenses. The bailer has the right to file a suit against any wrongdoer, against any third person who's doing wrong against the bailed goods. The bailer has the right to file a case against him. The right to file a suit for enforcement of duties imposed upon the bailee. So, in case there are any duties or any obligations that have been enforced on the bailee and the bailee does not perform it, then the bailer can file a suit on him for the same. Okay, please take a minute, go through this, and then we proceed. Come on. Okay, so let's discuss each of these points in detail. The right to terminate the bailment, section 153. A contract of bailment is voidable at the option of the bailer if the bailee does any act with regard to the goods bailed inconsistent with the conditions of the bailment. Example, A lets to B on for hire a horse for his own riding. B drives the horse in his carriage. This is at the option of A termination by the bailment. Termination of bailment may take place in the following circumstances. The second one is premature termination. The bailer has a right to prematurely terminate the bailment. When the goods are lent gratuitously, that means free of cost, the bailer can demand back the goods at any time before the expiry of the time fixed for the achievement of the object. Example, A, while going out of station, delivered his ornaments to B for safe custody for 1 month, but A returned to station after 1 week. He may demand the return of his ornaments even though the time of 1 month has not expired. However, due to premature return of the goods, if the bailee suffers any loss, which is more than the benefit actually obtained from him, from use of the goods bailed, the bailer has to compensate the bailee. So the first right is the right to terminate the bailment. So whenever it appears to the bailer that the bailee is not taking care of the goods or is not performing his duties as per the term of contract for bailment between them, he can terminate the bailment and ask for his goods. And second thing is, he can, even whenever the bailment is gratuitous, that is, it is free of cost, even before the expiry of the term for which the bailment has been done, he can take back the goods from the bailee. And in this process, if there is any liability incurred by the bailee or bailer, then he has to reimburse the other person for the same. Alright, please take 2 minutes, go through this. Any questions, please ask me. Any questions, please ask. Take about a minute more. Come on. Let me know once we're done, please. Carefully go through this. These are the rights of a bailer. Let me know once you're done. Okay. Then the second one, the right to file a suit against a wrongdoer. So if a third person wrongfully deprives the bailee of the use or possession of the goods bailed or does them any injury, the bailee is entitled to use such remedies as the owner might have used in the like case if no bailment has been made. And either the bailer or the bailee may bring a suit against a third person for such deprivation or injury. Alright, so if there is any third person who is preventing the bailee from enjoying the bailed goods or doing any work on them, then the bailer can file a case against him. The right to sue the bailer has the right to sue the bailee for enforcing all the liabilities and duties on him. It includes the right to claim compensation for loss caused to goods damaged by the negligence of the bailee, right to claim compensation for unauthorized mixing of goods, right to claim damages for unauthorized use of the goods, a right to demand back the goods, and right to any accretion of profit. So these are the following rights wherein the bailer can file a case against the bailee when the bailee has caused any loss to the goods by the negligence of the bailee, when the bailee has unauthorizedly mixed the goods with his own goods, when the bailee has made unauthorized use of the goods contrary to the contract between them. The bailer can also demand back the goods when the bailee is not giving it to him. And if there is any profit that is accrued to the goods bailed with the bailee, then the bailer can file a case to get that profit also. Okay, please take 2 minutes, go through this. Any questions, please ask. Please take 2 minutes, go through this. Any questions you may have, please ask me. Come on. Any questions? Please ask me. Please take another minute, carefully go through this. Okay, then now we look at the rights of a bailee. Now we spoke about the rights of a bailer. Now let's look at the rights of a bailee. So rights of a bailee, as a matter of fact, all the duties of the bailer are the rights of the bailee. In addition to that, the bailee has also the following other rights too. First one, right to deliver the goods to any of the joint owners. So if several joint owners bail the goods, the bailee has the right to deliver to any of the one of the joint owners unless there was a contract to the contrary. Example, ABC are the joint owners of a harvesting combine. They delivered it on hire to D for 1 month. After the period of 1 month, D may return the combine to any one of the joint owners, namely A, B or C. So basically, when there are joint owners who bail the goods with the bailee can deliver back the goods to any of the joint owners unless there is a contract which says that it has to be delivered to all the joint owners or joint bailers. If there is no such contract, the bailee can deliver the goods to any of the joint bailers. Then the right to indemnity, the bailee is entitled to be indemnified. Indemnified means reimbursed by the bailer for any loss arising to him by reasons that the bailer was not entitled to make the bailment or to receive back the goods or give directions in respect of them. If the bailer has no title to the goods and the bailee in good faith delivers back to them or according to the directions of the bailer shall not be responsible to the owner in respect of such delivery. Bailee can also claim all necessary expenses incurred by him for the purpose of gratuitous bailment. So just in case the bailment has been done by a person not authorized to it, not the owner and other things, but the bailee receives the goods in good faith. And in good faith, after doing the work, gives it back to the person who bailed them, even though he's not the owner, he's not this thing. But then the bailee will not be responsible for any such wrong delivery. And also, if there is any expenses he's incurred on this transaction, the bailer will be responsible to deliver those expenses to him. Okay, please take 2 minutes, go through this. Any questions, please ask me. Come on. Take about a minute, please. Come on, take another minute, please. Carefully go through this. Any questions, please ask me. Go through this carefully. It's an important question from the exam point of view as well. The rights of a bailee. Any questions? Take a minute more. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Then the right to claim compensation in case of faulty goods. A bailee is entitled to receive compensation from the bailer or any loss caused to him due to the failure of the bailer to disclose any faults in the goods known to him. If the bailment is for hire, the bailer will be liable to compensate even though he was not aware of the existence of such faults. So, in case the bailer has given certain goods to the bailee and the bailee was not informed of the faults in the goods, and due to those faults in the goods, if the bailee incurs any expenses, then the bailee is eligible to claim compensation for those expenses incurred on those faulty bailed goods. Okay, then the fourth one, right to claim extraordinary expenses. A bailee is expected to take reasonable care of the goods bailed. In case he is required to incur any extraordinary expenses, he can hold the bailer liable for such expenses. So let's say the goods have been bailed to the bailee for some purpose, but once he receives the goods, he realizes that there is something majorly wrong with the goods and he cannot proceed with his agreement, and he has to incur certain extraordinary expenses. Only then he can carry on his part of the agreement. Then in that case, the bailee will be eligible to claim expenses, those extraordinary expenses from the bailer. Okay, right to apply to court to decide the title of the goods. Now this is an interesting one. Now, let's say the bailer gives the goods to the bailee to do something. Now when the bailee, after he's done the work on the goods, he's about to return the goods to the bailer, he realizes that the bailer does not have the bailer does not have the good title to the goods, and there is someone else claiming those goods. So what does the bailee do? If he delivers it to the wrong person, he will be responsible. So in that case, he can apply to the court and say, see, this is the goods I got from A, but now B is coming and claiming that he is the owner of the goods. So what should I do? So in that case, the court will decide who's got the real title to the goods, and until then, the goods will be kept with the bailee. And once the case is decided in the court, then the bailee can deliver the goods to the bailer. Let's see the example. A dealer in TV delivered a TV to B for using in summer vacation. Subsequently, C claimed that the TV belonged to him as it was delivered only for repairs to A, and thus B should deliver it to him. In this case, B may apply to the court to decide the question of ownership of the TV, so he may deliver it to the right owner. Okay, so whenever there is an ownership issue as to who's got the good title to the goods, and the bailee does not want to take a risk, the bailee may apply to the court. He has the right that he can apply to the court to decide the title of the goods. Okay, please take a minute, go through this. Any questions you may have, please ask me. Hi Tushar, this is a CA intermediate class, Tushar. Okay, please take a minute, go through this. Any questions, please ask me. Please take about a minute more, carefully go through this. It's an important question from the exam point of view as well. The rights and duties of bailee and bailer. Come on, go through this. Any questions, please ask me. Take about 10 seconds more. Okay, then the bailee also has the following rights. The right of particular lien for payment of services, which simply means once the goods are bailed by the bailer to the bailee, and the bailee is supposed to do something on those goods, and he has done that something on the goods, and he has the right to keep the goods with him until the bailer pays him for those services. Okay, so that is known as the right of particular lien for payment of services, where the bailee has, in accordance with the purpose of the bailment, rendered any service involving exercise of labour or skill in respect of the goods, he shall have, in the absence of contract to the contrary, right to retain such goods unless he receives due remuneration for the services he has rendered in respect of them. The bailee has, however, only a right to retain the article and not to sell it. So the bailee can only exercise his lien to retain the goods. He cannot sell it. The service must have been entirely performed within the time agreed or a reasonable time and the remuneration was to become due. So basically, the bailee should have performed the services as per the terms of the bailment. It should have been done within the time allowed for it. There should be no default from the side of the bailee, and the bailee can just retain the goods till the bailer pays him for that, but he cannot sell it. So he has a right of retention, not a right of sale. The right of particular lien shall be available only against the property in respect of which skill and labor has been used. So let's take an example. You take your car to a garage and you give it for repairs in the garage. Now the garage people do the repairs and everything, and they call you up and tell you, sir, the bill is for 4,500 rupees, please come and pay and take your car. But if you go there and you don't pay the amount, they will not let you take the car, right? They will say, sir, first please clear the bill and then we will let you take the car. So that is their right of particular lien for payment of services. So unless you pay them for their services, they will not allow you to take the car. Then the right of general lien. The right of general lien means there are about 5 categories of people who have a general right for lien. Okay, so those are bankers, factors, barfingers, attorneys of a high court, and policy brokers will be entitled to retain as a security for a general balance amount any goods bailed to them in the absence of the contract to the contrary. By agreement, other types of bailies, excepting the above 5, bankers, factors, barfingers, attorneys of a high court, and policy brokers, may also be given this right of general lien. So these 4 people are given a right of general lien to keep the goods of the client, and as long as their payment is not done. Okay? Please take 2 minutes, go through this. Any questions? Please ask me. Please ask me. Come on. Please take a minute more. Please take another minute, please. Go through this carefully. Any questions, please ask me. Let me know once you're done, please. Take another minute. Carefully go through this. It's an important question. Let me know once you're done. Okay, are we done? Any questions? Okay, now let's move on to the next topic. Now we spoke about the rights and duties of the bailer. We spoke about the rights and duties of the bailee. Now let's come to the topic termination of bailment. When is a bailment contract said to be terminated? A contract of bailment shall terminate in the following circumstances. Okay, now please listen carefully. On the expiry of the stipulated period, if the goods were given for a stipulated period, the contract of bailment shall terminate after the expiry of such period. Now, let's take a very valid example. Now, due to COVID, there were a lot of people who, a lot of offices were shut down, and the employees were being asked to work from home, right? For a period of 6 months, 1 year, and even currently, a lot of employees are being asked to work from home. So in this situation, what did a lot of employees do who had come from outstation and were living in another city to work? What did they do? They vacated their house and all the luggage that they had, they put it in a warehouse for storage. So this is a bailment agreement where the people, the employees, deliver the possession of their furniture with a warehouse in return for some, where they have to pay some fees, and after that they give them a period, right? Okay, so I'll keep my furniture for 2 months or 3 months, and after 3 months, the bailee is supposed to give the good back to them, or they're supposed to extend the contract. So, whenever there is any such contract, which is a time-based, where the bailer deposits the possession of the goods to the bailee, okay, and the bailee, after that, and for a particular period, once that period expires, then there is a termination of the bailment unless and until the bailer or the bailee extended by mutual consent. Okay, the second one is on fulfillment of the purpose. So again, take your car. When you go to a garage and leave your car there for repairs, now what have you done there? You've done a bailment, right? Wherein your car is kept there for repairs, and once the repairs are done, the bailee is supposed to give the car back to you, and you are supposed to pay the bailer. So that is the fulfillment of purpose. So the first two cases are the bailment contract may be terminated on the expiry of a stipulated period or on the fulfillment of the purpose. If the goods were delivered for a specific purpose, the bailment shall terminate on the fulfillment of that purpose. And the third case where there is a termination of bailment is by notice. A, where the bailee acts in a manner which is inconsistent with the terms of the bailment, the bailer can always terminate the contract of bailment by giving a notice to the bailee. So now let's take an example that you have given your furniture to a warehouse for storage. They should keep it, right? They should not use it. But later you get to know that the bailee has actually taken the furniture, he's kept it in his house and he's using it, or he's giving it on hire out to someone and he's making money out of it. The minute you get to know that, you can send a notice to the bailee and terminate the bailment contract and also file a case against the bailee. Then, a gratuitous bailment. A gratuitous bailment means a free bailment can be terminated by the bailer at any time by giving notice to the bailee. However, the termination should not cause loss to the bailee in excess of the benefit derived by him. In case the loss exceeds the benefit derived by the bailer must compensate the bailee for such a loss. So, if it's a gratuitous bailment, that means a free of cost, then the bailer can terminate the contract anytime by giving a notice. But in case by doing so, if the bailee incurs a big loss, a loss is greater than the benefit that he has derived from the bailment, then the bailer will be liable to compensate the bailee for such a loss. Okay, please take 2 minutes, go through this. Any questions, please ask me. We are talking about termination of bailment. Any questions, please ask me. Come on, take another minute, please. Go through this. Any questions, please ask me. Come on. Let me know once you're done, please. Any questions, please ask me. Come on. Please take another minute, go through this. Okay, then, by death, a gratuitous bailment terminates upon the death of either the bailer or bailee. So if it's a gratuitous bailment, whenever the bailer or the bailee dies, unfortunately, that brings the termination of the bailment. Destruction of the subject matter. If the original condition of bail goods does not exist or is destroyed, the contract of bailment is automatically terminated because the purpose will not be fulfilled or the performance of the contract is impossible. Okay, so the various means by which a bailment contract is terminated is by expiry of a fixed period, if it is for a fixed period, by achievement of an objective, if the goods have been bailed with the bailee for a specific performance, specific object, by death of the bailer or bailee, by inconsistent use of the object. So if it appears to the bailer that the bailee has made unauthorized use of the goods bailed with him, he can give him a notice and terminate the bailment as well as file a case against him. Where there is destruction of the subject matter of bailment. So whenever the whole subject matter of the bailment contract has been terminated, then the contract is automatically terminated. Okay, please take a minute, go through this. Any questions, please ask me. Any questions, please ask me. Are we done? Come on. Any questions, please ask me. Okay, are we done? Alright, we've taken about 1 hour of continuous classes. So let's take a break for 5 minutes. Please go freshen up, go stretch, go get some fresh air, and we will continue at about 12:05. Okay, let's take a break for 5 minutes. Alright, come on, take a break for another 2-3 minutes and then come back. We will continue. Alright, I'm here itself. We will resume the class in about 3 minutes. Take a break. Alright, come on, stretch, freshen up and come back. In 2 minutes, we are resuming the session. Come on. Come on, a minute more and then we resume the class. Come on, everyone, start coming back. We will resume. Okay, 10 more seconds and then we resume. Come back, everyone. Come back from your break. Okay, so in the previous, so let's continue. So in the previous, before the break, we did about termination of bailment. So a bailment contract can be terminated on the expiry of a fixed period, achievement of the objective, by death of the bailor or bailee, or by inconsistent use of the goods, or by destruction of the subject matter of bailment. Okay, now let's proceed. Now let's look at an important topic again about the finder of lost goods. The right of finder of lost goods may sue for specific reward offered. Okay, so now this is an interesting topic, that when can a finder of lost goods sue for the reward? A lot of times when goods are lost and a person announces an award for it, reward for it, so when can the finder of the goods actually sue for that reward? The finder of goods has no right to sue the owner for compensation for trouble and expense voluntarily incurred by him to preserve the goods and to find out the owner. But he may retain the goods against the owner until he receives such compensation, and where the owner has offered a specific reward for return of goods lost, the finder may sue for such reward and may retain the goods until he receives it. So let's say a person found a laptop, okay, on the road, and it belonged to someone. So if the person voluntarily picks it up, makes an effort to find out who the real owner of the laptop is, he spends money and time to find out who the owner is and this thing, and calls him up and tells him, "Sir, I have your laptop with me. Please come and collect it." So for all this time and efforts, he cannot ask for any compensation. But if the owner of the laptop has announced certain compensation, that whoever finds my laptop, I will give them 5,000 rupees reward, he can retain the goods until he receives the reward. Okay, so because then that is his right. He found the goods, and now unless the owner of the goods give him that reward, he will not return the laptop to him. When the finder of thing commonly on sale may sell it. So now the second question is, when does the finder of goods have the right to sell the goods. When the thing is, which is commonly the subject of sale, is lost, if the owner cannot with reasonable diligence be found, or if he refuses upon demand to pay the lawful charges of the finder may sell it. When the thing is in danger of perishing, so if it's a perishable item, he may sell the goods, or when the lawful charges for the finder in respect of the thing found amount to 2/3 of the value. Okay, so in case the finder of the goods, firstly, if it's perishable, then he has a right to sell it off because it will get spoiled otherwise. And second thing, the lawful charges for taking care of the goods that the finder of the goods has incurred equals to 2/3 of its value or more. In that case, the finder of the goods has the right to sell the goods. Okay, please take 2 minutes, go through this. Any questions, please ask me. This is an important topic. There are a lot of case laws that come in this from the examination, the finder of lost goods. Come on. Any questions, please ask me. Come on. Please take a minute more. Any questions, please ask me. Come on, let me know what's your done, please. This is an important topic. Are we done? Okay, take another minute. Are we done? Okay, now let's look at the general lien and particular lien. Okay, our Bailey's particular lien, section 170, where the Bailey has, in accordance with the purpose of the bailment, rendered any service involving the exercise of labour or skill in respect of the goods bailed, he has, in the absence of contract to the contrary, a right to retain such goods until he receives due remuneration for the services he has rendered in respect of them. So, please remember, if the goods have been bailed by the bailer to the Bailey, and he's asked the Bailey to do certain act of skill of labour on the goods, okay, and the Bailey has done that as per the contract within the time given in the contract and whatever particulars were mentioned in the contract, then he has a right to receive the due remuneration for his services. Okay, he has rendered in respect of them. And if in case the bailer does not pay him for those remuneration for services he has rendered in respect of them, then he has the right to keep that goods with him. The best example is a garage where you take your car, and if the car is repaired and everything, and if you do not pay the bill, he will not give it to you. Or let's take, for example, a cobbler. Now, a cobbler is a person who repairs your shoes, slippers if there's something wrong, right? So it's a small example. So once you give him your shoes and you tell him my sole is coming off, please stitch it and make it proper and this thing, he'll be like, yes sir, and he'll charge you 100 rupees or 150 rupees or whatever it is. So that is a bailment, right? Because you've given him the possession of your goods to do something on it. Now, once he does something and he tells you, sir, your shoes are ready, come and collect it, unless you pay him that 100 or 150 rupees or whatever, he has the right to keep the shoes with him until he has been paid remuneration for his service. Okay, so that is the first, that is what you mean by Bailey's particularly, section 170. Example 1, A delivers a rough diamond to be a jeweler to be cut and polished, which is accordingly done. B is entitled to retain the stone till he is paid for the services he is rendered. Secondly, A gives cloth to be a tailor to make a coat. B promises to A to deliver the coat as soon as it is finished and give 3 months credit for the price. B is not entitled to retain the coat until he is paid because he is given a 3-month credit. So in case only immediate cash transactions they can maintain it, but let's say a person gives you credit, okay sir, no problem, you have repaired your car, you pay me next week. Then they have no right to keep the car until next week, but they are supposed to give the car to them, and after a week if he does not pay, then they have a right to file a case against him. Okay, please take 2 minutes, go through this. Any questions, please ask me. Any questions, please ask. Come on, let me know once you're done, please. Carefully go through this. Any questions, please ask me. Come on, take another minute, please. Any questions, please ask me. Let me know once you're done. Are we done? Okay, let's move on. Now, a general lien of bankers. Now, we spoke about the particular lien. Now, let's talk about general lien of bankers, factors, warfingers, attorneys, and policy brokers. Bankers, factors, and warfingers, attorneys of a high court, and policy brokers may, in the absence of a contract to the contrary, retain as a security for general balance of account any goods bailed to them, but no other persons have a right to retain as a security for such balance goods bailed to them unless there is an express contract to them. So these 5 people, that is your bankers, factors, barfingers, attorneys and policy brokers, have a general right of lien to keep a lien on the client's properties or papers until they are paid for their services. Analysis: the bankers, factors, barfingers, policy brokers and attorneys of law have a general lien in respect of goods which come into their possession during the course of their profession. For instance, a banker enjoys the right of a general lien on cash, checks, bills of exchange and securities deposited with him for any amounts due to him. For instance, A borrows rupees 500 from the bank without security and subsequently again borrows another 1000 but with security of say certain jewelry. In this case illustration, even where A has returned 1000 being the secured loan, the banker can retain the jewelry given as security to the second loan towards the first loan which is yet to be repaid. Okay, so these are the general lien that the bankers, factors, barfingers, policy brokers and attorneys of law have a general lien on. Okay, please take 2 minutes, go through this. Any questions, please ask me. Any questions, please ask me. Come on. Any questions, please ask. Take another minute. Are we done? I think there's some problem with the net connection. Are we done? Okay. Now let's look at the difference between Bailey's general and particular lien. Okay. Now this is your general lien and this is the particular lien. Now first one, section 171 of the Indian Contracts Act 1872 confers on Bailey the right of general lien, whereas section 170 of the Indian Contracts Act 1872 confers on the Bailey the right of particular lien. So it's a difference in section numbers. So section 171 gives the Bailey the right of general lien, whereas section 170 of the Indian Contracts Act gives the Bailey the right of particular lien. Okay, that's your first difference. The second one, general lien alludes to the right to keep possession of the goods belonging to or belonging to other against the general balance of accounts. So what does the general lien mean? General lien means you can generally keep the goods in your possession for a general balance. It may or may not relate to that specific balance. Okay, whereas particular lien implies a right of the bailey to retain specific goods bailed for non-payment of amount. So in a generally you can maintain a lien on the goods, whereas in a particular lien, the right of bailey to retain specific goods bailed for non-payment of amount is exercised. A general lien is a lien not automatic but is recognized through an agreement. It is exercised by the bailey only by name. Okay, and it is automatic. So general lien can be exercised only by agreement between the bailor and bailey, whereas a particular lien is automatically given to the bailey, where if he is not paid for his skill or labor, he is not supposed to or not obliged to return the goods to the bailor. General lien can be exercised against goods even without involvement of labor or skill, whereas a particular lien can be exercised only against those goods against which the bailey has exercised certain labor or skill. So a particular lien comes into play only when the labor or skill is involved as has been expended on the goods, resulting in an increase in the value of goods. Fifth one, only such bankers as are specified under section 171, example bankers, factors, warfingers, policy brokers, etc. are entitled to general lien. So these are specific people who are entitled to general lien. And who are those specific people? Those specific people are bankers, factors, warfingers, policy brokers, etc. are only entitled to general lien, whereas bailey, the finder of goods, pledgee, unpaid seller, agent, partner are all entitled to the particular lien. Okay, so you have a different set of people who can exercise a general lien and a different set of people who can exercise a particular lien. Okay, carefully go through this. Please take 2 minutes. Carefully go through this. Any questions you have, please ask me. It's an important question from the exam point of view also, which says, give the difference between bailey's general and particular lien. This question has come many times. So go through this. Any questions you may have, please ask me. Come on, take 2 minutes. Any questions, please ask. Let me know once you're done, please, all of you. Are we done? Please take 2 more minutes. Go through this carefully. A very important question. Any questions? Please ask me. Please take another minute. Any questions you may have, please ask me. Carefully go through this. Come on, any questions? Please ask me. Are we done? Okay, now let's move on to pledge. So far we spoke about bailment, rights and duties of the bailor and bailey, termination of bailment, the bailey is general and particular lien. Now let's go to the next one about pledge. Pledge, pawner and pawnee defined under section 172. The bailment of goods as security for payment or of a debt or performance is known as pledge. The bailer in this case is known as the pawner and the bailee is known as pawnee. So in this case, the goods are not bailed with the bailee to do some work, but it is done with a view to keep it as a security. Okay, to obtain a loan or to obtain any other financial assistance, when a person bails certain goods with the bailee for performance, securing of a debt or performance of a promise, that is known as a pledge. So instead of the terms bailer and bailee, you will talk about the words pawner and pawnee. So pawner is the person who deposits the goods with the pawnee, and pawnee is the person who takes those goods as a security for a debt or for performance of a promise. So let's do an analysis. A pledge is a variety or a species of bailment, which means it is a kind of bailment. It is a bailment of goods as security for payment of debt or performance of a promise. The person who pledges or bails is known as the pledger or also known as the pawner. The bailee is known as the pledgee or also the pawnee. In pledge, there is no change of ownership of the property, just like a bailment. There is no change of ownership, but there is only change of possession. Under exceptional circumstances, the pledgee has the right to sell the property pledged. That is when the loan that is taken against it is not repaid, or there is a default, or the promise that was made against it has not been done. Then in that case, the pawnee has the right to sell the property pledged. Section 172 to 182 of the Indian Contracts Act 1872 deals specifically with the bailment of pledge. So example, A lends money to B against the security of jewellery deposited by B with him. That is A. This bailment of jewellery is a pledge as security for lending the money. B is the pawner and A is the pawnee. Okay, so here we see a new concept called pledger and pledge. So where there is a pawner and pawnee, earlier we saw bailment where there was a bailer and bailee. The concept is the same. The ownership does not transfer from the pawner to the pawnee, but only the possession changes. And in very exceptional circumstances, the pawnee can sell the goods. Okay, and this is not done with a view that the pawnee will do something on the goods. No, but this possession has changes only for securing a debt or for performance of a promise. Okay, so basically the pawnee cannot do anything on the goods. So normally it is like you have these Muthoot Finance gold loans and this thing. So where you go take your gold, pledge it with them, and they give you a loan. Okay, and as long as you keep paying the interest and the principal on the loan regularly, the finance company will not do anything. But unfortunately, if you do not pay the interest or the principal, then they have a right to sell that goods. But they cannot do anything on your goods. The goods, the ownership of the goods will remain with you. It will not be transferred to the finance company. But only the possession will transfer there. And against those goods, you will get a debt. That is a loan or something. Okay, please take 2 minutes. Go through this. Any questions? Please ask me. Yes, Nikhil. Which one can you repeat? Which one do you want me to repeat? Which part? Can you tell me? Can you repeat pledge? Okay, now see, pledge is also a kind of a bailment. Okay, now what is a bailment? Bailment is where the goods are bailed or they are given to the bailee to do something on them, and once the bailee has done that, he returns the goods to the bailer. Clear? Okay, now let's look at a pledge. A pledge is also a kind of a bailment where the goods are deposited with the pawnee. You see, he's known as a pawnee. The bailee is known as a pawnee here. And in return for those goods, the pawnee either gives a performance of promise or he gives a loan to the pawner. Okay, so it is kept as a security. So in a bailment, the bailee might have to do certain things on your goods, but in the pawnee and pawner relationship, the pawnee cannot do anything on the goods. He just has to keep it as a security for the loan that he's provided to you. Alright. Am I clear? Any questions? Alright, please take another minute, go through this carefully please. It's an important topic. Any questions? Please ask me. Come on. Any questions? Please ask. Take a minute, please. Any questions? Please ask me. Take another minute, please. It's an important topic. Are we done? Come on. Let me know once you're done, please. Okay, then let's look at essentials of a pledge. Since pledge is a special kind of bailment, therefore all the essentials of a bailment are also the essentials of a pledge. Apart from that, are the other essentials of a pledge are. So again, we discussed a pledge is a form of bailment. So whatever are the essential characteristics of a bailment are also the essential characteristics of a pledge. In addition to that, we also have the following characteristics. A, there shall be a bailment for security against payment or performance of promise. So a pledge is normally given as a security for taking a financial loan or for performance of a promise. The subject matter of the pledge is always goods. The goods pledged shall be in existence. There shall be a delivery of goods from the pledger to the pledgee or the pawner to the pawnee. So there actually be a delivery means the change of possession of the goods from the pawner to the pawnee. The essentials of a contract of pledge. There must be bailment for security for payment of debt, performance of a promise. The goods must be subject matter of the contract of pledge. The goods pledged must be in existence, and there must be a delivery of goods from the pawner to the pawnee. Okay, so these are the essential characteristics of a pledge in addition to the essential characteristics of a bailment. Alright, please take 2 minutes, go through this. Any questions? Please ask me. Any questions? Please ask. Okay, please take a minute, go through this. Any questions you may have, please ask me. We have discussed this in detail just now. Thank you. Any questions? Please ask me. Let me know once you're done, please. Are we done? Please take another minute. Any questions, please ask. Come on, quickly. Okay, just about 10 more seconds and then we proceed. Alright? Any questions you may have, please ask me. Okay, let's move on. Now, let's look at the pawnee's rights. The rights of pawnee can be classified under the following headings. Now, who is the pawnee? The pawnee is the person with whom you have deposited the goods in order to perform a promise or to take a loan. The first right to retain the pledged goods, section 173. The pawnee may retain the goods pledged not only for payment of the debt or for performance of the promise, but for the interest or the debt and all necessary expenses incurred by him in respect of the possession or the preservation of the goods pledged. So, firstly, you have pledged certain goods with the pawnee, and the pawnee has given you a loan, let's say. Now, if you do not pay the interest or you do not pay the principal, or if the pawnee has incurred any expenses to keep your goods safe, then unless and until these amounts, that is interest, principal, or the expenses are repaid to him, he has a right to retain the pledged goods. Example where Mr. M pledges stock of goods for certain loan from the bank has the right to retain the stock not only for adjustment of the loan but also for payment of interest. The right to retention of subsequent debts, section 174. The pawnee shall not, in the absence of a contract to that effect, retain the goods pledged for any debt or promise other than the debt or promise for which they are pledged. But such contract, in the absence of anything to the contrary, shall be presumed in regard to subsequent advances made to the pawnee as well. So, in case there is any security with the pawnee, he can use that for any subsequent money that he lends to the pawner. Okay, please take 2 minutes, go through this. Any questions, please ask me. Any questions, please ask. Please take 2 minutes. Let me know once we're done, please. Come on. Take a minute more. Any questions, please ask me. Okay, so we discussed about the right to retain the pledged goods, the right to retention of subsequent debts. Okay, let me know once you're done. I'm giving you adequate time so that you can read it, understand it, and ask me any questions. Okay. Okay, are we done? Alright. Now the third right of the pawnee is the pawnee's right to extraordinary expenses incurred. The pawnee is entitled to receive from the pawner extraordinary expenses incurred by him for the preservation of the goods pledged. For such expenses, however, he does not have a right to retain the goods. So in case when the goods have been pledged with the pawnee and the pawnee incurs any expenses, extraordinary expenses for him for preservation of the goods, then he is liable to get the money reimbursed from the pawner, but he does not have the right to retain the goods for those expenses. The pawnee's right where pawner makes default. If the pawner makes default in payment of the debt or performance at the stipulated time of the promise, in respect of which the goods were pledged, the pawnee may bring a suit against the pawner upon the debt or promise and retain the goods pledged as a collateral security. Or he may sell the thing pledged on giving the pawner reasonable notice of the sale. So if the proceeds of such sale are less than the amount due in respect of the debt or promise, the pawner is still liable to pay the balance. If the proceeds of the sale are greater than the amount so due, the pawnee shall pay over the surplus to the pawner. So in this case, what it means, whenever there is any debt taken from the pawner by the pawnee, and in return you have deposited something, In case, unfortunately, the pawnee makes any default of the debt or performance as stipulated on the time of promise, the pawnee may file a suit against the pawnee for recovery of that money. And even after that, if nothing happens, the pawnee can sell the goods that have been deposited with him in order to collect his money. Now, after he sells the goods, if the total money that has come from the sale of the goods is less than the amount owed by the pawnee to the pawnee, then the pawnee is still liable for the remaining part of the goods. And in case the amount of sale after the sale of the goods is more than the amount owed to the pawnee, then the excess amount will be returned by the pawnee to the pawnee. Okay, so this is also a right of the pawnee. Please take 2 minutes, go through this. Any questions? Please ask me. Any questions? Please ask me. Come on. Any questions? Please ask. Take another minute, please. Come on, let me know once you're done. Please take 2 minutes, go through this carefully. Any questions? Please ask me. Carefully take about 30 seconds more. Go through this, please. Come on. Any questions? Please ask me. Let me know once you're done, please. Come on. Are we done? Take another minute, please. Carefully go through this. Okay, now let's look at the rights of a pawnee. Now so far we discussed about the rights of a pawnee. Now let's look at the rights of a pawnee. As the bailer of goods, pawnee has all the rights of the bailer. Along with that, he also has the right of redemption of the pledged goods, which is enumerated under section 177. So what were the rights of the bailer? The right to terminate the contract if the bailee is using the goods unauthorized. If the bailee has made any profits from theirs, he has the right to get back the profits. He has the right to prematurely terminate the contract, okay, especially if it's a gratuitous bailment. So all those rights are available to a pawnee as well. In addition to that, the pawnee has the following rights. That is the right to redeem. If time is stipulated for the payment of a debt or performance of the promise for which the pledge is made, and the pawnee makes a default in payment of the debt or performance of the promise as stipulated time, he may redeem the goods pledged at any subsequent time before the actual sale of them. But he must, in that case, pay in addition any expenses which have arisen from the default. So let's take a simple example. Let's take A took a loan from B of rupees 5 lakhs, and for that purpose of the loan, he deposited jewelry with B. Okay, so B took jewelry of some amount and he gave the loan of 5 lakhs to A. Now, on the due date, A defaulted in making the payment of the interest and the principal. The loan, let's say, was for 6 months. So after 6 months, A defaulted in the payment of the loan. So now B has two choices. B has a choice to either file a case against him or sell that jewelry, what he's deposited with him, and recover his amount. So this right of the pawner means anytime before the sale is made by the pawnee, he can pay up all the amount for that, that is the loan, the interest, and any other expenses which have been incurred by the pawnee due to the default of the pawner. He will have to pay that, and then he can redeem his goods. So that is the additional right that a pawner has, okay, in addition to the other rights of a bailer. Please take 2 minutes, go through this. Any questions, please ask me. Come on, any questions, please ask me. Come on. Any questions, please ask. Please take another minute. Any questions you may have, please ask me. Carefully go through this, please. Come on, any questions, please ask me. Okay, now let's look at the duties of the pawnee. In the previous one, we spoke about the rights of pawnee. Now let's have a look at the duties of the pawnee. The pawnee has the following duties. Duty to take reasonable care of the pledged goods. So whatever goods have been pledged with the pawnee has to take care of them as if they belong to him. Okay, so he has to take reasonable care of the pledged goods, and he cannot be careless with the goods, because if there is any loss incurred to the pawner because of the carelessness or negligence of the pawnee, he shall be liable to make good that loss to the pawner. Second one, the duty to not make unauthorized use of the pledged goods. So basically, whatever has been the agreed terms between the pawner and the pawnee is allowed to use the goods there itself and not allowed to make any unauthorized use. That means if any jewelry has been pledged with the pawnee, he cannot rent out the jewelry or let it out and make money out of it or use it for his personal purpose. All that is unauthorized use. The third duty that the pawnee has is duty to return the goods when the debt has been repaid or the promise has been fulfilled. Please remember, in a pledge, the goods have been deposited with the pawnee as a security for the debt that has been advanced to him or the promise or the performance of the promise. And once the debt that he has lent to the pawner is fully repaid along with all the expenses and interest, or the performance for which the performance for which they were secured with that debt, if that is fulfilled, then he has the duty to return the goods in the original condition to the pawner. Then the duty to not mix his goods with the goods pledged. So basically, the pawner will not mix his own goods with the pledged goods, and if he does that, he will, at his own expense, separate the goods and give the goods that were originally given by the pawner to the pawnee. The next one, duty not to act which is inconsistent with the terms of the pledge. So whatever are the terms of the pledge, a pawnee is supposed to act based on that. He cannot act in any other manner. It is his duty to be bound by the terms of the contract and not do anything inconsistent with the terms of the pledge. The duty to return accretion of goods. Now, what do you mean by accretion of goods? So, if the goods have made some profit or increase while they were in custody of the pawnee, it is the duty of the pawnee to give that profit also to the pawner at the time of returning the goods. Okay, so these are the duties, some of the duties of the pawnee. Please take 2 minutes, go through this. Any questions, please ask me. Come on. Any questions, please ask me. Please take a minute, go through this. Any questions you may have, please ask me. Carefully go through this. Important question from the exam point of view as well. Come on, all of you. Any questions, please ask. Come on, everyone. Any questions you may have, please ask me. Take a minute more. Come on, quickly. Take another 30 seconds, then we proceed. Any questions you may have, please ask me. Are we done? Okay, then let's have a look at the duties of the pawner. The pawner has the following duties. The pawner is liable to pay the debt or perform the promise as the case may be. So please remember, a pledge is done in order to take a debt from the pawnee or to perform a promise. So whenever he does that, it becomes his duty to pay the debt or perform the promise as the case may be. It is the duty of the pawner to compensate the pawnee for any extraordinary expenses incurred by him for preserving the goods pawned. So, in case if when the pawnee, while safeguarding the goods that have been pledged with him by the pawner, incurs any extraordinary expenses, in that case, it is the duty of the pawner to compensate the pawnee for any extraordinary expenses incurred by him for preserving the goods pawned. It is the duty of the pawner to disclose all the facts which may put the pawnee under extraordinary. So, if the goods being pledged are such that the goods are of dangerous nature, it becomes the duty of the pawner to inform the pawnee that, listen, these goods have these risks, please be careful, please store them like this. In case he doesn't, then he shall be liable for any losses that have been incurred by the pawnee. If the loss occurs to the pawnee due to the defect in the pawner's title of goods, the pawner must indemnify the pawnee. So, let's say, once the pawner pledges the goods with the pawnee and later on the pawnee finds out that the pawner is not the real owner of the goods, and then he has to file a legal case to find out who the real owner of the goods are. So whatever expenses or anything are incurred on that, the pawner is liable to make good that expenses to the pawnee. And if the pawnee sells the goods due to default of the pawner must pay the deficit. So in worst case scenario, if the pawnee sells the goods to recover his money, and if the money that he gets with the sale of the goods is short than the amount that the pawner owes to the pawner must repay the additional amount to the pawnee. Alright, please take 2 minutes, go through this. Any questions, please ask me. Any questions, please ask. Come on. Any questions? Please ask me. Please take a minute, go through this. Any questions you may have, please ask me. Come on, all of you. Let me know once you're done, please. Take another minute. Any questions, please ask. Please go through this carefully. It's an important examination question. Carefully go through this. And any questions you may have, please ask me. Are we done? Okay, please take about a minute more. Come on, take another minute. Any questions you may have, please ask me. Please take another minute, carefully go through this. Come on. Are we done? Okay, now pledged by non-owners. Ordinarily, it is the owner of the goods or any person authorized by him in his behalf who can pledge the goods. But in order to facilitate mercantile transactions, the law has recognized certain exceptions. There are 4 exceptions. These exceptions are for bona fide pledges made by those persons who are not the actual owners of the goods, but in whose possession the goods have been left. So normally, a pledge can be done only by the owner of the goods, but in order to facilitate mercantile transactions, the law gives about 4 exceptions where even people who are not owners of the goods can pledge the goods. These are pledged by a mercantile agent, section 178, where a mercantile agent is with the consent of the owner in possession of goods or documents of title to goods. Any pledge made by him when acting in the ordinary course of business of a mercantile agent shall be valid as if he were expressly authorized by the owner of the goods to make the same, provided that the pawnee acts in good faith and has not at the time of the pledge noticed that the pawner has any no authority to pledge. So if the agent is acting according to his contract with the principal and in his normal course of business pledges the goods with the pawnee, and the pawnee acts in good faith and has no knowledge that the pawnee has no authority to pledge, then it will be considered as a valid pledge. Okay? Explanation. In this section, the expressions mercantile agent and documents of title shall have the meanings assigned to them in the Sale of Goods Act 1930. Okay, please take 2 minutes, go through this. Any questions, please ask. Come on, please take 2 minutes, go through this. Any questions you have, please ask me. Come on. Come on, let me know what you're done. Come on, please take another minute, carefully go through this. Any questions, please ask me. Let me know once you're done, please. Come on. Okay, are we done? Okay, let's move on to the next one. The pledge by a person in possession under voidable contract, section 178A, where the pawner has obtained possession of the goods pledged by him under a contract voidable under section 19 or section 19A, but the contract has not been rescinded at the time of the pledge. The pawnee acquires a good title to the goods provided he acts in good faith and without notice of the pawner's defective title. So that means when does a contract become voidable? A contract becomes voidable as per the Indian Contracts Act 1872 when someone's consent is not free consent. So if it's consent obtained by coercion, undue influence, misrepresentation or fraud, then that contract is voidable at the option of the person whose consent has not been so obtained. So before the contract is actually cancelled, if a person obtains possession of any goods under a voidable contract, then that person can actually pledge the goods with a pledgee or a pawnee and take financial assistance on that behalf, provided the pawnee has no idea that the pledger has no title to the goods. And the conditions are the contract should not be cancelled and the pledgee should have no idea that the person pledging the goods has no authority to do so, or he has no title to the goods of where he is pledging it. So pledge, the next point, the pledge where the pawner has limited interest. Where the person pledges goods in which he has only a limited interest, the pledge is valid to the extent of that interest. That means in the case of joint owners, if let's say a particular goods is owned by 3 people and a particular person's interest, and that is 33%, then up to the extent of 33% he can pledge with a pledgee and obtain a financial assistance or a performance of a promise based on that. The next point is pledge by a co-owner in possession, where the goods are owned by many persons and with the consent of the other owners, the goods are left in the possession of one of the co-owners. Such a co-owner may make a valid pledge on the goods in his possession. So here again, when the goods are owned by more than one person, and that one person, any one person out of them, with the permission of the other person, take the possession of the goods and pledges it with the pledgee, then in that case it will also be allowed as a valid pledge, because even though it is not done by all the joint owners but it is done by one of them, provided that one of them has the authority to pledge the goods. And point number 2, the pledgee has no idea, or he does it in good faith and he has no idea or reason to believe that the joint owner who is pledging the goods does not have the authority to do so. The next point is pledge by the seller or buyer in possession. A seller in whose possession the goods have been left after sale, or a buyer who, with the consent of the seller, obtains possession of the goods before sale, can make a valid pledge provided the pawnee acts in good faith and has no knowledge of the defects in title of the pawner. Okay, so these are a few of the cases in which even though a person is not an owner of the goods, but he can still go ahead and make a valid pledge. Please take about 2 minutes, go through this. Any questions? Please ask me. Carefully go through this. Important examination question. Go through this, please. Please take a minute or more. Any questions? Please ask me. Come on, carefully go through this. Come on, all of you, go through this, please. Any questions, please ask me, and also let me know once you're done. I'm waiting. Any questions, please ask me. Are we done? Yes, are we done? Come on. Please take about 30 seconds more. Any questions, please ask me. Are we done? Okay, let's move on. Now let's look at a distinction between bailment and pledge. Important question. Bailment, pledge. The first one, meaning. In a bailment, there is a transfer of goods by one person to another for some specific purpose is known as bailment, or a specific time, whereas transfer of goods from one person to another as a security for repayment of debt is known as a pledge. So whenever goods are transferred from one person to another for a specific performance, specific purpose, it is known as bailment, and whenever the goods are being transferred from one person to another as a security for repayment of debt is known as a pledge. Okay, so that's to do with the meaning. The next terms applicable: the person delivering the goods under a contract of bailment is known as a bailer. The person to whom the goods are delivered under a contract of bailment is known as a bailee. So in a bailment contract, we have a bailer and a bailee, whereas in a pledge contract, the person who delivers the goods as security is known as the pawner. The person to whom the goods are delivered as security is known as the pawnee. So in a bailment agreement, it is bailer and bailee. Pledge agreement, it is pawner and pawnee. Then the purpose. Bailment may be made for a purpose as specified in the contract. For bailment, example, safe custody or for repairs or for processing of goods. Whereas bailment may be made in a case of pledge. Bailment may be made for any purpose. Okay, or maybe that's wrong. In the case of pledge, the goods are sent for as a security. and not for any purpose, as a security for a debt or for performance of a promise. Okay, and then the consideration, the bailment may be made with consideration or without consideration, but a pledge is always made for consideration. Okay, so these are the four major differences between the bailment and pledge. It's an important examination question as well. So kindly take 2 minutes, go through this. Any questions you may have, please ask me. Please take 2 minutes, go through this. Any questions, please ask. Come on. Any questions, please ask me. Please take 2 minutes. Come on. Any questions, please ask. Come on, let me know once you're done, please. Okay, are we done? All right, so with that we end the chapter on bailment and pledge. So let me just recollect various packages there for the plus platform of Unacademy. The packages are for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. The 1 month package will normally cost you rupees 3,500. The 3 months will cost you rupees 8,750. 6 months will cost you rupees 14,000. 12 months will cost you rupees 17,500 and the 24 months will cost you rupees 21,000. Now all these are the listed price of the packages, so before you make the payment for the package of your choice, please do not forget to use the code Prathik to get an instant discount of 10%. The after discount price of the various packages are as follows. The 1 month package will cost you rupees 3,150. The 3 month package will cost you rupees 7,875. The 6 month package will cost you rupees 12,600 and the 24 month package will cost you rupees 18,900. So you see immediately you get a discount of savings of 10% when you use my code. Now please remember the savings of 10% is being reduced to 5% from 1st March 2021. So this 10% discount will remain only till February 28, 2021 and from 1st March it will be reduced to 5%. So in case you are deciding or thinking about getting into the Plus platform of Unacademy, this is the right time for you to do so. And while doing so, please do not forget to use the code Prathik to get an instant discount of 10%. Okay? Alright, you can take about 30 seconds, go through the slide and then we proceed. Come on. Okay, so with that we end the session. Thank you so much for being a wonderful audience. Please do not forget to use the code Prathik to get an instant discount when you subscribe to the Plus platform. Please remember this discount of 10% is being reduced to 5% from 1st March 2021. So this 10% discount will be applicable only till February 28, 2021. Alright, so make use of it and get a 10% discount on your Plus subscription. Also, I'd like to welcome you to Crack CA Exams with us, which is a vertical and channel of Unacademy that caters to the students of CA Foundation and Intermediate in the journey and pursuit of preparation for the CA Foundation and Intermediate examinations by providing top educators, quality content, and overall a great learning experience. So come, let's crack CA Exams with Unacademy, India's largest online learning platform. Thank you so much for being a wonderful audience, and I will see you soon with some more interesting topics and sessions. Thank you, and please do not forget to click the follow button on my profile on the Unacademy Learning app. Thank you.